everybody. I just wanted to take a second and say happy Father's Day to all you dads out there working hard in your professional and your personal lives to support your families and to create good people from it. My dad is the reason why I wanted to be a welder. He worked in machine shops most of his life. He did defense work himself, and he's also a Vietnam vet. So I kind of wanted to follow in his footsteps as best I could and make him proud. And for all of you dads out there, we really love you and we appreciate you so much. Even though we don't show it all the time, we do, believe me. And I just wanted to say thank you. We appreciate you, we love you, and happy Father's Day.
Yeah, it's my little girl. She wants to join in, learn about welding and stuff. So you'll see her from time to time, and we'll probably be posting some of her progress as she learns.
Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, but especially my dad. I want to say happy Father's Day to you. Thank you for the support from when I was little all the way up until literally today, for starting businesses or trying out new things and just helping along the way and really helping to guide and shape where I am now. So thank you very much. Happy Father's Day to you and everybody else.
Hey everyone, Danae Bushcutter here. I wanted to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, not only my father, but all of our Edge Army fathers and all of you out there watching this. I hope you guys have a great Father's Day. Be sure to celebrate. And one thing that I'm grateful to have my dad in my life is he showed me what true hard work really is. He helped me become the hard worker that I am, and I am so glad I have that asset programmed into me as a human being. I want to know what your father or your father figure brought to you in your life that you're happy that they gave to you, or blessed you with, however you want to put that. Put those down in the comments below. If you like this Father's Day tribute, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the Edge YouTube channel, be sure to do that as well, and we'll see you in our next video.